welcome back to the fourth session. That is last session of this tangents and secants to a circle. This is tangents and secants to a circle. I'm not erasing this title of the chapter. So now in this session we'll discuss word problems of third exercise. Already I explained some more examples in the previous session. So maximum I will explain the how to draw the diagram for that question. In that diagram, how to find the area of the shaded region, means that calculation part I'll give for you only. So do the calculation part yourself, no problem with that. Okay. So now let us take the first question from the exercise. A chord of a circle with radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment and major segment. So here we need to find the minor segment, area of minor segment and area of major segment. So area of minor segment and area of major segment. They gave the radius 10 cm subtends a right angle at the center. That means, see here, let's draw the diagram. Circle, for this circle, radius is 10 cm and minor arc, minor segment. So first we need to find at the angle at the center is right angle means 90 degrees. So to find the minor segment area of sector minus area of triangle. What type of triangle it is? This is right angle isosceles triangle. Right angle isosceles triangle means base is this one, height is this one. If you take base is this one, height is this one. For any right angle triangle, base you can take base and height this one, height that side, that one. So now I need to find area of minor segment. Oh, this is center of the circle A, B, E, Q. So OAPB is a sector. APB is a minor segment. APB is a minor segment. Given a radius of a circle equal to 10 centimeter and angle at the center equal to 90 degrees. So area of minor segment equal to area of sector minus area of triangle OAB. So what is area of sector? X degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square minus area of triangle half into base into height. So what is x degrees? Angle made by the two radii at the center is 90 degrees. 90 by 360 into pi r square. Pi value from this question they are asking pi value we have to take 3.14. 3.14 and radius is what? 10 into 10 100 minus half into base is what? I'm taking 10 into 10. So 9 by 36 into decimal point is here, 2 zeros are here, decimal point moves to right side. This will become 314 minus 50. So if you do the simplification of this one, then you will get the answer as that is what? 78.5. Minor segment, that is 78.5. This is minus 50. 78.5 minus 50, that equal to 21.50. 28.50. Area of the minor segment 28.50. Simplification part I'll give to you only. Do the simplification, nothing will have very easy. There is no difficult in that. So area of major segment, area of circle minus area of minor segment. So what is area of major segment? We need to find here minor segment and major segment. If you find minor segment, then you can find the minor segment means from the total area of the circle, if you remove the minor segment, then you'll get the major segment. So area of the circle is pi r square minus 28.50. Here also 3.14 into 10 into 10 minus 28.50. So that is 314 minus 28.50. That is area of major segment. Area of major segment is 285.5 centimeter square and centimeter square. Units also very important. This is the first question from your textbook. Very easy. If you draw the diagram correct, if you understand what we have to find from the diagram, definitely you can do the solution. Okay, so go through the second question. Second question already I explained the same model in example. I'm not explaining the second question, as it is a question they gave in your example also. That example already explained. So I'm going to third question. What is the third question? A car has two wipers which do not overlap. Car has two wipers which do not overlap. Each wiper has a blade of length 25 centimeters. That means, see here, diagram and drawing. Suppose this is car glass. So this is one of the wiper, and which do not overlap means another wiper. Blade length 25 centimeters. So this is also 25 centimeters. So now, sweeping through an angle of 115 degrees, find the total area cleaned at a sweep of the blades. So each blade making an angle 115 degrees. Each blade making an angle 115 degrees. We need to find the total area cleaned at each sweep of the blades. So what is the region we have to find? What is the region we have to find sweep by the blade? Each blade is making an angle of 115 degrees. Angle made by the angle made by each blade, that equal to 115 degrees. Angle made by two blades with 25 centimeter radius equal to 115 plus 115 degrees equal to total 230 degrees. Total 230 degrees. So this is, if the blade is sweeping like this, means it forms a sector. It forms a sector. Definitely it forms a sector. So it forms a sector means area of sector we need to find. Area swept by two blades equal to, two blades I'm taking directly, that is x degrees by 360 into pi r square. What is x degrees? 230 by 360 into pi value. From this question they are asking pi value, we have to take it as 22 by 7. 22 by 7 into 25 into 25. If you do the simplification of this total value, finally you will get 1254.96 some centimeter square, or else you can write 1255 centimeter square. Okay, so do the simplification, then you'll get the final answer like this. Okay, very easy question, car blades question, that is. Okay, this is the second question, third question, and fourth question, that is also one of the important question. Fourth one, I'm reading the question here only once. If you read the question twice or thrice, then definitely you can understand the question. These are word problems. Find the area of the shaded region in the figure where the ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter and semicircles are drawn with each side of a square in the diagram, in the square as diameter. They gave the diagram here. Here pi value we need to take 3.14. So see here, square of each side 10 centimeter. So they are saying here this is the diagram they gave. We need to find the area of the shaded region. area of shaded region. Which shaded region? We need to find area of this shaded region. Very easy, very important question and very easy question this is. I'll explain in easy way. See here. Okay, we need to find the area of that shaded region. Read the question once again. Find the area of shaded region ABCD with a square of side 10 cm and semicircles are drawn with each side of a square. One of the semicircle this side, one of the semicircle this side, one of the semicircle this side, one of the semicircle this side. This diagram, this shape form. Find the area of the shaded region. Find the area of the shaded region. Now I am taking here. Let us mark 1, 2, 3, 4 for unshaded regions. That means I am marking here. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, and this is 4. So in this diagram, wherever the unshaded region, that place only I am marking 1. Means this only unshaded region. This is unshaded region here. That's it. That is 2. Unshaded region 3. Unshaded region 4. So first I am finding area of unshaded region 1 and 3. 1 and 3. So area of. So how to find the total value? So first I will find unshaded region, 4 unshaded regions. 4 unshaded regions. I will subtract that 4 unshaded regions from the total square. Then you will get the shaded region value. Okay. So if you find unshaded regions 1, 2, 3, 4. If you subtract these 4 unshaded regions from the total square, then you will get the area of shaded region. So area of unshaded region 1 and 3. How to get 1 and 3? That is area of square minus area of semicircles. What are those? I did not give the names here. ABCD. Semicircles AD and BC. AD and BC. So just I am drawing here the diagram. Area of square ABCD this is, and this is AD, one of the semicircle and another semicircle. So I am finding only these two. From the total ABCD square, I am removing area of semicircles AD and BC. If you remove AD and BC semicircle from the total area of the square, you will get only unshaded region 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay. So area of square is, that is 10 into 10 minus area of semicircles. Area of semicircles means how many semicircles here? 2 semicircles. That is 2 into half pi r square. 100 minus 2 gets cancelled. Pi value here they are asking in this question. Pi value we need to take a 3.14. Pi value 3.14 into radius is what? So total side is 10. Then radius is from here to here 5. 5 square. Understand? So radius means from here to here. This is the radius of the circle or semicircle. So this means from here to here length. The total length is 10. From here to here 5 means this is also 5. So 100 minus 3.14 into 25. 100 minus 25 4s are 100. 25 1s are 25. 25 plus 10 35. 75 plus 3 78. So that is before 2 digits means 78.5. 100 minus 78.5. 100 minus 78.5. The value is 21.5. 21.5. Similarly, area of unshaded region second and 4. These two unshaded regions. So now the diagram is like this. If you understand the diagram, then you can do the solution easily. So now AB semicircle and CD semicircle. This is the fourth one. This is second one. So now to get that one, area of square minus area of semicircles A, B and C, D. You will get the same answer because of that area of square is same and radius is also same, pi value is also same. So you cannot get the another value. Definitely you will get the same value. The answer is 21.5 centimeters only, centimeter square. So total area of the unshaded regions. Unshaded regions 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that is unshaded region 1, 2, 3, 4 means 1 and 3 I got 21.5, 2 and 4 I got 21.5. So total means 21.5 plus 21.5, that is 43 centimeter square. So that is total unshaded region. We need to subtract area of square minus area of unshaded regions. Unshaded regions what? For 100 minus 43. Almost completed the solution. Area of, now we need to find shaded region. How to find area of shaded region? Area of a square minus area of unshaded regions. Area of square is 100, side into side, that is 10 into 10, 100 minus unshaded region, what total area of unshaded region is 43, 57 centimeter square. 57 centimeter square. This is very important question from the exercise. Hope you understand. That is very easy. First, let us I marked 1, 2, 3, 4 as unshaded regions, and first I found the area of unshaded region 1 and 3. Total area of circle minus 2 semicircles. What are those 2 semicircles? AD and BC. After that, to find the second and fourth unshaded regions, we need to find total area of circle minus AB and CD. Then a total area of unshaded regions is 43. Total square minus unshaded regions is 100 minus 43 is 57. Orally also we can explain the question very easy. So that is the fourth question from your textbook, and fifth question that is same as it is fourth question. So I'm not explaining that fifth question. If you go to the sixth question. Sixth question is in the figure OACB is a quadrant of a circle. Quadrant of a circle means quarter part, 1/4 of the circle. That is they give like this, quarter part of the circle with the center O radius 3.5 centimeter. This is the center, radius 3.5 centimeters, and if OD is 2 centimeters, OD means here they are marking one more point D, and OD is 2 centimeters. They joined here, and we need to find the area of this shaded region. Just you can identify quarter part of the circle is nothing but sector. So that means this is the circle. If you divide 4 parts, this is 1/4 part, this is 1/4 part, this is 1/4 part, this is 1/4 part. This is a sector of the circle. Quadrant, that means a sector of the circle. If you identify the quadrant, means they are not giving direct a sector. They are asking quadrant of a circle, means you have to understand that is a sector. Area of the sector minus area of the triangle. Area of the sector minus area of the triangle. What is area of the sector? Angle means angle at the center of the circle means quadrant means definitely it forms 90 degrees. OA, I'm taking this as B. Okay, so you can take this is B and this one is C, that is D. Okay, now we need to find the area of the shaded region. Already I said, to find the area of any shaded region, first to draw the diagram. From the diagram, what are the diagrams you have to subtract, or what are the diagrams you have to add to get the shaded region. To get the shaded region, we need to subtract area of triangle from area of sector. Area of triangle minus area of sector. So given side of A, not side, radius of A circle is 3.5 centimeter. Then radius means, and area of angle we have to write angle at the center of a circle equal to 90 degrees. Area of sector equal to x degrees by 360 into pi r square. So x degrees means 90 by 360 into pi value. From this question they are asking 22/7. So see, different questions, different values they are asking. Sometimes 3.14, sometimes 22/7. Here they are asking 22/7. Radius is 3.5 into 3.5. So 90 by 360 into 22/7 into this is 35/10 into 35/10. So area of sector. If you do the simplification of this area of sector, that is 9.625 centimeter square. So I'm not doing the calculation part for you. I'm not doing the calculation part here. I'm giving the calculation part for you only. So, and area of triangle OAD, half into base into height. What is the half into, what is the base? 3.5 into height is what? 2. 2 gets cancelled. 3.5. So area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to area of sector minus area of triangle OAD. Area of sector is what? 9.625 minus 3.5. 9.625 minus 3.5 means that is 6.125 centimeter square. That is the question from your textbook. And more 2 questions are there. Those 2 questions also I will explain here. So that is AB and CD. Hope you understand this question. I am going for next question. AB and CD are respectively arcs of 2 concentric circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeters. 2 concentric circles they are saying. 2 concentric circles they are saying. They give the diagram also for this question, but there is no concentric circles here, but 2 concentric circles are there. So from these 2 concentric circles, 2 radii they give. Radius circles of radii 21 centimeter and 7 centimeter with center O. Angle AOB is 30 degrees. Angle AOB is 30 degrees. This is AOB, 30 degrees here they give, and one is 21 centimeters, another one is 7 centimeters. So they removed this total circle, they left only this one for you. They are asking find the shaded region of 2 sectors. That means this one. If you identify here, 2 sectors are there. What are those 2 sectors? OCD, one of the sector, OAB, another sector. Both sectors are having forming an angle or having an angle of 30 degrees with a different radii. Bigger sector radius is 21, smaller sector radius is 7 centimeters. To find the area of shaded region, area of bigger sector minus area of smaller sector. Area of bigger sector minus area of smaller sector. Radius of sector OAB equal to 21 centimeters. Radius of sector OCD equal to 7 centimeters. Angle made by two sectors equal to 30 degrees. So area of shaded region. Area of shaded region equal to area of bigger sector. That means sector OAB minus area of sector OCD. Area of sector means x degrees by 360 into pi value. From this question they are asking pi value as 22 by 7. Pi value as 22 by 7. Pi r square, that is OAB sector radius means what? 21 into 21 minus x degrees by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. Here x value is what? That is 30 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7 into 21 into 21 minus 30 degrees by 360 into 22 by 7 into 7 into 7. So from these two values, what is the common value? 30 by 360 into 22 by 7 is common, and the remaining value is 441 minus here 7 7 are 49. So this total value I am taking common, this total value I am taking common, remaining value 22 or 21 are 441, 7 7 are 49. So if you do the simplification of this value, that is finally you will get here 1 by 12 into 22 by 7, that is 22 by 84, 22 by 84 into 441 minus 49, that is 392. Do the simplification, 102.66 centimeters square. I'm not doing here the calculation part, already I said, because of that it will take more time. That's why I'm giving the calculation part to you only. Okay, do the cancellation. Finally, you'll get 102.66 centimeters square. So the last question is, that is, I'll give the only explanation for that last question. Remaining you can do the solution. If you understand the diagram where we have to find, then you can easily identify. Calculate the area of the designed region figure common between the two quadrants of the circle of radius 10 centimeter each. So already they gave the diagram. So this region we need to find A, B, C, D. This is one of the quadrant of the circle, and this is another quadrant of the circle. Each side 10 centimeter they give. This is also 10 centimeter. That means ABCD is a square. Each side is 10 centimeter. Means so here pi value we need to use 3.14. Pi value is 3.14. So ABCD. Okay. I'm taking here. So I am giving the explanation here. I am not doing the solution because of that no time. That's why. So see here I am marking here P and Q. P and Q. So if you mark here, very easy question, that is P and Q. I'm taking here line like this. So see here ABPD is a sector. ABPD is a sector. So ABPD sector minus area of triangle ABD, then you will get this region. Okay, so that means identify here area of sector ABPD. area of shaded region BQDP equal to total BQPD shaded region, that is area of sector ABPD minus area of triangle ABD plus similarly if you subtract area of sector ABPD minus area of triangle ABPD minus ABD, then you will get only half of the shaded region. This means this one, this half of the shaded region you will get. Okay, so the remaining half of the shaded region how to get? Same similarly, one more sector is here, CBQD, area of sector CBQD minus area of triangle this side BCD. Then if you subtract that one, totally you will get the area of sector ABPD minus area of triangle ABD. Area of sector means x degrees by 360 into pi r square minus ABD means half into 10 into 10 minus x degrees by 360 degrees into pi r square, sorry, plus pi r square minus half into 10 into 10 here also. So what is x degrees? 90 by 360 into pi value from this question. What they are asking? Pi value is 3.14. We have to use 3.14 into radius is 100 minus 50 plus similarly here also 90 by 360 into 3.14 into radius is 100. Radius is 100 or 5. See here, this is the quadrant of the circle, and quadrant means from center of the circle this is the radius 100 minus half into base into height means that is 50. So 90 by 360 into 3.14 into 100 means if you do the simplification of that question, definitely you will get 28.5 plus 28.5 plus 28.5, total value is 57 centimeter square. 57 centimeter square. Beginning of this question, we need to write the statements of given data. This is the total chapter of tangents and secants to a circle. After this session means I'll give one more worksheet to you. Do that worksheet. If you have any doubt, please post in my YouTube channel. Thank you. Hope you understand this chapter. Very easy chapter. Try to understand the diagrams, how to find the area of the shaded regions, and constructions I left in this chapter. Total for constructions I will take one more session for that. So hope you understand that one. Thank you to one and all.